Hi, I'm Dr. Bloom. I'm one of the chiropractors here at Revive. We are a little different than most offices because we check our patients from head to toe. We're looking at their entire structure. If you come in with neck pain, we're going to want to see what your low back and your feet and your legs are doing as well, not just what's going on with your neck. The other thing that makes us different is we use chiropractic, massage therapy, exercise, and nutrition to not only fix the problem, but attack it from different angles.
She doesn't beat around the bush and she gets right to the issue and goes right to the spawn and usually knows what's really going on.
I love that this is drug-free pain relief. We really empower our patients to heal themselves. I truly believe that the care we offer patients not only helps them improve their life today, but we're changing the way they're going to be 10, 20, 30, maybe even 50 years from now. If you think you're experiencing mechanical pain, give us a call, come on in. We can do an exam and see if we can help you.